we made a waiter application with image. Complete menu items over here. It's beautiful. Let me show you. Here you see the print. This software having artificial intelligence technology. Hi friends, today we are introducing a restaurant billing software. In the restaurant billing software, it is more important the waiter application. You may have multiple waiters in your restaurant and all may need application to take order from the customers. So while arriving the customers to different tables, waiter may go and ask them what food you need. Maybe you give a printed catalog, printed menu. Maybe they cannot recognize which food and how it is looks like. Some people they need photos, like this particular food is looks how it is looks. This is very important nowadays. People are traveling to many states, to one state to other state. They are traveling every time, but thing is that the food name they cannot understand which food is we can eat like this. So with this consideration, we made a waiter application with image that I will demonstrate you how to connect a waiter application to your mobile phone. It's a pretty simple technology. Like this is the desktop application. This is the only one desktop application we will install in one restaurant, and each waiter they can install their mobile application. So this one is directly interconnected between the desktop application and the mobile application, the waiter application. So whatever the menu you can see here, you can see the same menu in the restaurant application as well. To open this application, it is very simple. Let me show you the demonstration. You will see you can transfer to multiple waiters through WhatsApp even, this application. They can just click on install it. Once it is installed, this kind of logo will come and it will open like this. So first of all, once the window came, you just click on configuration. So here in the right side, you can see one barcode scanning option. There we need to scan somewhere to your desktop application to connect between both applications. So for connecting this one, close it, log out. So here in this window, when you are log out, here you can see there is one small icon is there. You click on that, there is a QR code will display over there. You just scan that QR code in your application like this. See, so directly connecting, just to save it. That's it. Again, now for different waiters, you can give a different user ID and passwords. How we can connect that one? Let me show you. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can go to the admin control. Here is the admin control. Here is admin control, and here you go to registration. So here you can create a new waiter as well, whatever you require, like Sudhi, S-U-D-H, the name of the person, like, and you must mention waiter. This is very important basically. And PIN, the password you can give for different person, for different password you can give. Here I am giving 4567, or sorry, 4567, yes. And again you type here Sudhi, S-U-D-H-I, Sudhi, and you can mention the sud@gmail.com, and contact number whatever you can mention it here. Just save it. Yes, save it. 4567 is the password. See, here you can see over here again 4567 and SUDHI. I will put the same number over here in the mobile application, SUDHI, and here 4567. You can see over here like that, and you can see remember here. So once you click on remember, it will be saved like that. So once you logged in, you can see the complete menu items over here. It's beautiful and it's working very fast because this technology is working with Wi-Fi. Like this is the offline billing software with SQL database. Directly to the database, this Wi-Fi through the mobile application is connecting. So there is multiple mediators are not there, so that you can connect very easily. So now let me show you the sale panel over here, the POS panel. Click on 1, 2, 3, 4 and go to the admin control. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, go to the cashier control. Here login and let me show you. Here I click on beverages and let me click on burger and let me click on this one. Let me click on chapati. There is 4 items. The same menu, same image you will find out in here as well. Like in beverages, I can see the same item and let me click on chapati. So there is a food, 4 items are there. Same, like here what is you are seeing the picture as it is there in the. Let me show you fast food. Only one item is there, like ice creams. I open ice cream. There is 3 items are there. Let me show you what is here in the ice creams. Same. Like when you are adding one product over in the software, it will directly display in the waiter application. So it will be very easy. Let me demonstrate you how the system is going to work. Here you can see in the table management, there is 4 options are there basically. In every restaurant, table management system is there, home delivery is there, takeaway is there, fast billing is there. All things we can control over here. Let me show you how this is working is there. Like in the top, you can see table management system and takeaway, home delivery and fast billing. What is table management system? In multiple table, you may keep multiple tables in your restaurant, and each person they will come and sit like they will take multiple orders and they will do billing at one time when they are vacating the restaurant. Like takeaway, like you are taking the parcel and you are going out. So there is a parcel charge you can add. That's the facility is there. And fast billing, home delivery, as you know, you will deliver to the home, and when the waiter will come back or the service person will come back, then you will do the money received or something like this. Fast billing is that in some metro cities in India, first time the customer is coming directly to the counter, they will make the bill first, then give the token and go to the kitchen, collecting food, sitting somewhere and eating. This is the technology. This is basically using in McDonald's, even KFC. Everybody is using this kind of technology. So let me demonstrate to you the mobile application, how the system is working. The waiter application particularly using for the table management system. So first of all, we need to select the table. The red color is already occupied. Somebody is sitting and they're taking food. So the green colors is all free. Let me click on the table number 10 and select some ice creams. And these people, they need some other thing item like pizza. Like some pizza I selected like that. 2,422 rupees 46 paisa. See, the KOT came over there directly. And the next thing is that, let me show you. Here you will see the Sudhi, the waiter name what we mentioned in the first, and table number 10. Here again Sudhi, table number 10, and again table number 10 and Sudhi. And why this is 3 different slips? This is the question. The answer is that you can connect multiple kitchen from this software. Like, for example, you have a vegetable kitchen, you have a non-veg kitchen, you have ice cream counter, you have a fast food counter. Like this, different counters are there. So different counters you can connect with one software and one application. The customers, they will come and sit, they will make the order at a time for different items. But for the vegetable counter, they will receive the KOT only for which table, what are the vegetable products order is there. And in non-veg kitchen, they will receive that particular item, food items only. They will not give all, the software will not give a bunch of list to everybody. So the people will be confused. So that kind of accuracy we made over there. Again, the same person, like table number 10, like we will select again. Table number 10, you can see over here like 2,422.46. Again, we are ordering here on the left side. There are some items would again ordering. list. Yes, this is the one. You can see over here the KOT. It's a beautiful KOT. Again, it is name is there and table number is there. Everything is there. So here, again we are selecting the table. We can see like table number 10. It is 5,493 total right now. This whenever the customers they are repeated making order, it will keep on increase. So you will not lose one single order money. This is the speciality. Like you will get proper control on your restaurant. This is the control system is there. So again, the customer he is sitting in the table number 10. He want to vacate the table and he want to go out. In that case, let me show you. In the software also you can find the same tables. Like in the right side, top side, you can see over here table number. Select on tables. Table number 10 you can see over here. See here also you can see the same figure which is displaying in the mobile application 5,493. Same it is displaying over here as well. So even the counter person who is sitting in the counter, he also understand what is the charges there, what is the charges there, everything they can understand. So let the table number 10, the person he want to vacate. Like in that case, in the mobile application there is two options are there, like here or here. This is here, just click on here and just save and print. Let me show you. Here you see the print. See, this is the final figure what he need to pay. The person table number 10 who is sitting there, this is the table number 10. He want to pay this much. Now this is on unpaid bill. Let me clarify one more thing before going to the next step. Like I close this waiter application very near to this printer. No need to do that. There are some other tables are there. Some people they are eating. Let me go far and let me show you how this is. Like I click on that, save and print. Printer will be there. And I will clear another table, save and print. See, clear, yes. So there is wherever Wi-Fi network system is there, even if I go to the end of the hall or end of the restaurant, from there also I can do the same. I will the print will come in the counter. So this bill is still again this printout. What will do? This kind of printout. See again. Let me. This is another table. This kind of printer, the waiter they will keep it in the book, and they will give it to the customer. They will bring the money at the time. The billing it will be in the unpaid bill. So you can go to the unpaid bill here, like here, and you see there is a lot of bills are there. Which one is table number 10? Like you can select over here how much he is paid. Like unpaid bill, this is this amount was around yes, this one. So he paid around 6,000 rupees. Balance is there. Yes. Update and print. Update and print. Now in this situation, now the table number 10 is green. That means the customer is vacated. And in the application as well, you can see over here. Sorry, here table number 10 is green color. Means the person he already left the table. So some other customer is coming there, they can take the order. So if you have a different waiter, they may have a different mobile phone, and there is an application is there, just open it. If you want to connect to this waiter, it's very simple. Just to close it, log out, and here is the QR code is there. Just go to the configuration, scan it. Just to scan it, automatically it will come here, save it. This is another waiter. I already made before login. See, it's very simple way you can log in. Tables, maybe table number 10, I can take the order from here. Like take some foods like that. Menu and go to some other food like South Indian, like some foods. In this case, the customer they can see the images of the food. They will understand what is that. Sometimes when we are going to see the KOTs come over there. I make another KOT from different. This is waiter name is Sumesh, and see you can see here take another order for table number 10. So different waiters can connect. Like there is no limit. Maybe you have 10 waiter or 15 waiter or 20 waiters. There is no problem. Unlimited waiters you can connect in this software. So beautiful user-friendly restaurant billing software. Let me demonstrate something else. In the cashier counter, in the fast billing system, like when the customer is coming directly and to the counter and making the order, he wants some ice creams like save and print. Here you can see the KOT and the bill is came by together. Here see this one. Here the order number is 78 and here is order number 78 again. This is the bill and this is the KOT. The customer, they may carry both of this and maybe they need to give the KOT to the, they need to show the KOT to the kitchen and collect the food. Another option, you can keep one more printer in the kitchen when the bill is giving to the customer and the KOT will print in the kitchen. So the kitchen chef, once the food is ready, like food is ready, he will take call this number 78. Then the customer is, oh, my number is 77, 78. Like, go and collect the food like this. So both of these options you can choose which one is better for you. And RAINTECH restaurant billing software, it's very simple, user-friendly software basically. And this software having artificial intelligence technology to update the images. Like whatever the menu you are adding to the software itself will update all the food items images automatically from the Google image gallery. This technology also there in the software. So our office basically in Kerala. We are in Kerala, India, and our customer care team, sales team, and production team, everybody is sitting here, and we are providing service all over India and abroad as well. You will get genuine customer care support from RAINTECH Software Limited. The way of customer service is very important basically. We will give you the installation through AnyDesk or TeamViewer, like remote desktop connection. And we will give the training how to use the software. We will we will show you how to connect again this waiter application. It's pretty simple technology because it's just to scan the QR code and you can connect it by yourself as well. But of course our team is there to connect for you. Again, there is to adding the menu, our team is there. They will help you. And for AI tool, how to use it, they will help you. And for any other customer care service, you can call us directly. We have a direct customer care service team as well. For sales, we have a different team is there. For any help or support, definitely call us 8078 311 945 or 86060 93110. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you. Bye-bye.